John Many imparts making learning accessible.
Here's a math problem that's breaking the internet. People are fighting over it. Friendships are ending over it. And I want to know what you think the answer is. Ready? Here it is. 6 divided by 2. Then in parentheses, 1 plus 2. What's the answer? Take a second. Don't rush. Some of you are shouting, it's 1. Others are screaming, no way, it's 9. So which is it? Let's solve it together. First, the parentheses. 1 plus 2 equals 3. Easy. Now the problem becomes 6 divided by 2 times 3. Here's where the drama happens. According to math rules, PEMDAS, multiplication and division are equal. You solve them from left to right. So first, 6 divided by 2 equals 3. Then 3 times 3 equals 9. That's right. The answer is 9. But don't just take my word for it. What do you think? Are you Team 1 or Team 9? Drop your answer in the comments, tag a friend to settle the debate, and let's see who's really been paying attention in math class. Because in math, clarity is everything.